Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Dell laptop is lagging. So the first thing that you need to do is to right click on the start menu and select the task manager. After that, now you need to go to the startup apps. And now as you see from here, you will have a lot of apps enabled in the startup apps section. So this will actually slow down your boot time and also will slow down your PC because it will keep running on your device even if you don't want to use it. So you need to actually disable these apps. As see from here, just right click on each app that you don't want and click on disable. After that, go back to the processes menu and now end any task or process or app that you don't actually use. So there's some apps that will actually run in the background even if you don't use it, like this one. You need to just right click on it and click on end task. After that, just close the taskbar and search for the settings app. So from here, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the system section and then you need to go to power and battery. After that, you need to click on the power mode and now set to best performance as seen from here. Then you need to go to the system section again and click on storage. Now if you don't have at least 10% of your storage free, you need to actually free some storage space to let the laptop actually do minimum processes. So you can just click on the temporary files from here and delete all the files that you don't actually use. Also, you can go to the downloads folder and free some old space from the downloads folder. Now, the next thing and the final thing that you can actually do is to click on the search menu and search for adjust. As you will find the adjust, the appearance and performance, you need to click on it. And from here, you need to actually click on adjust for best performance. After you do that, click on OK and apply. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.